Using reverse psychology to make your ex miss you. When a relationship ends, it's natural to want to reconnect with your ex. One strategy that might help is reverse psychology, which involves encouraging your ex to miss you by doing the opposite of what you truly want. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. This method plays on the human tendency to desire what feels out of reach. Here's how to use it effectively. 1. Understanding reverse psychology. Reverse psychology involves expressing the opposite of what you want, hoping your ex will react by doing the desired thing. By creating distance or showing indifference, you trigger a psychological response that can make them yearn for the relationship again. 2. The psychological dynamics behind the technique. The principle behind reverse psychology is based on the concept of scarcity. When something feels less attainable, we tend to want it more. By withdrawing emotional investment or attention, your ex may start to feel the absence and want to regain what they once had. 3. Create emotional distance. Start by reducing the emotional investment in the relationship. Don't be overly available or responsive to your ex. This subtle withdrawal can make them question your feelings and wonder if they've lost you. 4. Appear indifferent. Show a sense of indifference toward their actions or decisions. If you act like you're not affected by their choices, they may feel the absence of your attention more strongly, prompting them to reach out. 5. Focus on yourself. Shift your focus to your own life. Invest time in hobbies, socializing, and personal growth. When your ex sees you thriving independently, they may be drawn to the idea of being a part of your life again. 6. Offer small gestures of kindness. Occasionally, show brief moments of warmth or kindness, but keep them rare. These actions will remind your ex of what they're missing, but the inconsistency will make them want more. 7. Set boundaries. While using reverse psychology, always maintain your integrity and set clear boundaries. It's important to be subtle and not manipulate or deceive your ex, as that can backfire. Potential risks of using reverse psychology. While reverse psychology can be effective, it's important to use it cautiously. Overusing it can lead to distrust or emotional manipulation, which might push your ex further away. If the tactic feels too forced, it could cause resentment rather than attraction. Always ensure that you're using reverse psychology in a healthy and respectful manner. Reverse psychology can work, but it should be used carefully. Overdoing it can damage trust, so approach it with caution. Ultimately, real reconciliation comes from mutual understanding, not just psychological tactics. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.